Jeff Keenan here with the Shelly EM Smart Home Energy Monitor. So about the Shelly EM, I'm going to show you how I integrated it with Home Assistant to monitor some of my big draws. The Shelly EM has two inputs for clamps, and I put one on my air conditioning central AC unit and one on my water heater. Now, I haven't seen many US installed Shelly EMs. You're going to have a qualified electrician install it on your panel. It connects to a 120 volt circuit for power, and then the CTs connect to the left connectors. Now you're going to place the CT on the black hot wire that you want to monitor, and you may have to change the orientation of the CT so you don't get a negative wattage coming through it. Next, you're going to set up the Shelly EM through the app. You're going to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Now, you should have an access point nearby. I'll put a link to the one I'm using, the ECW336, because it's inside the panel and you need to have a strong Wi-Fi signal. Both of these devices have a balanced load, so I'm just going to use one CT per device. Otherwise, you'd have to use two. Home Assistant has Shelly built in to the native core, so it should detect it as soon as the Shelly comes online. Now, because I'm using only one CT per 240 volt circuit, I'm only getting half of the wattage. So I had to create a sensor identity that basically doubles the wattage for each device. Then I added those sensors to the energy dashboard in Home Assistant. It's going to take it a while to calculate the cost value, but it's showing the consumption right away. There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on Wi-Fi and tech products.